Hey everyone, I am back. I think. Am I back? Is it working? Is everything working? It looks like everything's working. Yeah. So yeah, I'm done. I'm done my move, as you can probably tell. It's kind of weird, actually. It's all dark in here. I gotta. My lighting needs to be adjusted, but yet I'm still washed out and pale. Maybe that's just the way I look. But whatever. Yeah, I've finished the move. Oh no, I haven't finished the move. That's a lie. I guess I'll probably be done the move by Sunday or Monday. There's still some big stuff, couches, crap like that to come. But printers are here. Printers. See, it is dark in here. Give me a second. That's probably better. But yeah, all the printers are here. Stop. Don't do anything. Okay, sorry. This is not the setup. The table is one of the things that still needs to be moved. You know, the desk is over there. Seems like it's far away right now. There's a lot of room between me and the desk. Like that, it's something I'm still getting used to. This is the stream area. I'm happy with it. It's different, but again, no tubs, proper table going across here by next week, and yeah. Then I went to IKEA and bought some. What are they? Drawer workbenches, and yeah, they you know, I do understand that this is pine. And yeah, it's not gonna last. I'm not expecting it to last. I figure by the spring I can go. Well, I won't be cutting MDF with a circular saw here, like I used to at the old place. But I can go to anybody's house and cut wood. So let's see here. So yeah, that's that. There's the bathroom. I guess normally I would probably stream like this. I don't have any of the audio baffles up, so you know, it is what it is right now. But I'm getting close to where I want it. So yeah, the move also brought other things. Okay, I guess I should say hi to everybody. Hey Swans, hey Zex, how are you guys doing? It's been a while. Oh no, I guess I've chatted with Swans on Discord. So one thing that came with the move was well, let's see, how did it happen? So I propped the screen door open, had the other door open. I rolled the 2.4 into the porch, I guess you'd call it. Reached down, I picked it up, I carried it out the door. I started walking down the walk, and I learned something. That even flat ground can just give way underneath you if you have enough weight on you. So what happened was I was walking and the dirt just scooped up underneath my foot when I put my foot down. And it was like, whoa. And I went down hard with the 2.4 in my arms. Yeah. So let's roll out the 2.4. That's a good thing about this. I like this. I like this. I'm gonna be able to do a lot of things with this room. So, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to unplug it. Don't know why it's plugged in anyway. If I turned it on and did anything with it, it would destroy itself. But yeah, so. Hey, Collie. Hey, Nick. So yeah. What was that? That was a plastic. The 2.4 went down, as did I. And, things got smashed. You know, I shouldn't be doing this, so it's gonna go down again. There we go. It was balanced on the other side of the wheels. So, like, things, like, just smashed off. It was not good. Smashed. There's something going on with this. I believe somehow in the dropping. Like, I've checked everywhere else and it's fine. But right here, I think the bolts got stretched. That's all I can think of, is when I went down, I hit it in a certain way, and somehow the bolts holding this and this just got slightly stretched because they're loose. And they shouldn't be loose. So that was that side. Then the other side, well, you know, nothing really survived on the other side. This is where it came down. And everything from here to here. I think this is okay, but this is smashed. I don't know how, but in the impact, these got hit. So, good news, you know, is I subscribe to the N+1 printer theory, where if you have N number of printers, you need one more. So I have other printers, and I have gone and I've done a thing, and I've got all this ready. So that's it. We're ready to rebuild the 2.4 rebuild. Yeah, rebuilding the 2.4 rebuild. That's yeah. The other thing that broke, functionally it's fine. You know, I can't print with it until I get all the, you know, like this is loose. This is literally loose. That screw has got to be loose. So it's going to be a matter of re-squaring everything, hoping things didn't get bent, because if things got bent, there's going to be bigger problems. The 2.4 frame is what we built some of the legacy out of, and so the other frame isn't available to me anymore either. So I guess it's time to strip down the 2.4 and start rebuilding it. It isn't a make work project. This was like, I would have definitely preferred to not touch this again for the rest of its life, and be and rather be doing the video about the MMU today. But it is what it is. I'm gonna get this rebuilt first. as it is, you know, my productive machine. It is the one that does all the work. So I'm gonna just pile those up to the side. I don't think I need to take the back off, but we'll see. If we need to get some bolts or anything like that, we may need to do that. Let me see here. Can I do this? Is this a thing that we now have the ability to do? I guess so, in a way. There's a bunch of these that are broken. Yeah, that's all. That's these. They got smashed somehow. I don't know how. And so did the edge of this. Oh yeah, definitely, definitely. There's no doubt there. I only dropped it from like this height. I didn't shoot it from a cannon. Yeah, that thing was just. Yeah. So that's hey, there's something we learn. These joints are not as strong as you think, because just in that drop, everything got loosened. And I just broke another one of these. Not really. I guess I should probably clip these on, or they're all gonna get broken off. So yeah, this can easily take a lot of damage just on a little drop. It's really kind of, you know, it's not the plastic. The plastic, easily replaceable. Couldn't have taken me within 6 hours of sticking stuff on a plate and starting a print. I had everything ready to go. I would guess about 6 hours, maybe 8. Yeah, it did break. It did break this as well, so that needs to be fixed. Magnets got popped out of the back. Reseat that afterwards. So yeah, it's pretty bad. What do I do first? I guess the first thing to do would be to see if we can figure out what's going on with these screws and see if I can like retighten everything. Better. Oh yeah, that's right. Gonna have to careful with this. There was a couple of these that were a problem. Wow. That's crazy. I almost want to pull the bolts out and put new ones in. Now that one is tight, but it's crooked. Heh. So what do we do about that? It's not that tight. I'll still have to tighten it up. See, and that's the problem. Some of these were, like, these were terrible extrusions. They really were. The only thing good about them is that the cut at the end was really, like, nice. But other than that, the taps were nowhere near as deep as they needed to be. And some of them were barely tapped at all, like tapped like 3 millimeters in, and that was it. The taps were dirty. It would be the only way I could really describe it. So, yeah, it caused problems. Okay, here we go. That was a bad one. Like, I'm really hoping this isn't bent. I'm banging on my LEDs. Wow. Don't drop your printer 3 feet or 4 feet onto the ground. Don't. I really highly suggest that is something that nobody ever does. My guess is it's never ever going to be the same. But it could prove me wrong. Hey, Bert. Yeah, it's not a hammer. No. It's a specialized percussion straightening tool. It's a mallet, basically. Not really a rubber. Well, it is rubber, but it's yeah. It's a straightening tool. Yeah, look at that. Just go like that. Now look at it. Now look at us. Needs to be more light. There's a bit more light. I'm a bit paler. Alexa, stop. Why would you look something up on that? Like, what did I say that possibly triggered you? Sorry. Okay, I really think I need a better way to tighten these. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Let's not do that. So yeah, basically when it hit the ground, it stretched all the bolts by a, you know, so many hundredths of a millimeter. Such a tiny amount. And that's basically what we're dealing with here. Now, the bigger problem that we're dealing with is the bolts are shit. So I can't do anything with any of them. So I don't know what to do about that. So I guess that's pretty tight actually. Most of it's good. What's not good, oh, and maybe I should just pop this out before something gets... Wow, those belts are loose. Okay. Bad part. Okay. Here we go. It took a beating. So that doesn't even line up like that anymore. Okay, well, we'll have to figure that out. All this is broken. This is actually looking okay. Like, once I get this straight again and tighten those bolts, we should be okay. This is like the worst. I'm feeling awful doing this. This side, on the other hand, is another story altogether. All this needs to come off. It's completely smashed. The, oh, you can see it, it's all just broken. That's all bent up. This one's salvageable, but I have printed another one anyway. So, oh. This looks like it's okay. I don't know for sure. Actually, no, it's got a dent on it. It is broken. I have printed another one, so again, I'm prepared. Oh, wow. That's tight again. Oh, I guess, yeah, I did hammer that. Okay. Yeah, I fixed that. We fixed that percussively. So while I've been getting all this stuff set up and getting this move done, I put on some of the old was it melting plastic live streams for the Voron announcements, and I think it was the switch wire announcement that I was watching. And Steve used to have a really long beard. His camera was blurry, like obviously long before he got into the streaming. But yeah, he used to have a long beard. Okay, so this is in pretty bad shape. This is like totally trashed. Oh, wrong one. Like, I don't think there's much that can be done to save this. It's, yeah. It's smashed. It's smashed good. Thing is, though, this thing is also a bolt cover, isn't it? Ruffled mic. That'll be better. I don't know. Well, that broke. They just peeled it off. Cleaning like linear rails after you've built the printer, or cleaning them as you build the printer. That would probably be two different ways before. So if you really want to clean them, you can get a little, print a little, like an end piece that you can slide the carriage onto. And then you can, basically use IPA to clean the rails. You can also soak the carriage in IPA and then completely re-grease everything. But I'm going to say, like a lot of people are saying these days, you don't need to do that anymore. I guess I probably didn't need to take that off. I'm gonna put that back on. Rails come in much more usable condition than they ever have. Unless they're sticky or, sometimes you get rails with dried up grease on them, it seems. Okay, so we're really hoping there's no bent things here. No bent things here. But I cannot make any guarantees that something's not bent. You know, what I would do, just on the rail, take some IPA on a cloth, wipe them down, and see how bad the cloth is. If the cloth is bad, you'll have an idea of what level of cleanliness you've got on the rails. With all these, I just installed them. I didn't even grease them. But these are, what, 5 dyno? Vividino? Vivedino? I don't know. They're those guys. They're generic Chinese rail number 4. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this. Should I just take these off? Yeah, let's just take those off. I think it's going to be easier to get it over the top than it is to get it under the bottom. Do I happen to know what size the bearings are in a normal MGN 12? What the little, no. The little ball bearings inside the carriage? The actual balls? If one of those or two of those fell out, you know, I'll tell you, there's something on here where I lost. Oh no, it was on here. It was in it's in the circular bearings on the Legacy. I lost a couple of balls. Bearing. No, they're the ball. They're ball bearings. These are bearings. Okay, yeah, ball bearings. I lost a couple of the ball bearings. I didn't care. I just, whatever, put them in. Is it not going to work? Famous last words. Why? Oh, because there's 2 of them. That's why. Hey, Squirrel Brain! Yeah, I'm back at it. My smashed printer. I have to fix it. Okay. Never thought I'd get to take a hammer to my 2.4. It's a mallet. That doesn't make me feel better. How much damage? Oh yeah. Yeah. So the problem with anything like this that has all these, in this case, the blind joints, when it's put down too hard at an angle, all of the, oh, maybe I can change that. All of the, what's the word I'm looking for here? All of the bolts, bolts, that's the word I'm looking for. Bolts stretched by like, you know, 5/100ths of a millimeter. So everything slightly shifted. And that's a bad thing. That's bad, okay? Okay. It's not good. I should probably take that out. No, I'm not going to. Just this. It could be the noise canceling. Like I said, I haven't messed with anything. I didn't. No, I didn't mess with it. Turn the gate down a bit. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. We will see. Now it should kick in sooner, and I don't know. Let me know if it makes it worse. I'll move it the other way. Come on. There we go. There we go. So that got smashed. Everything here is good. Oh no. Okay. Okay. I don't know if we can see that. Worse. Okay. There we go. Now it turns up to 60. Now it probably doesn't even try to. Yeah, so if we take a closer look at this, can we? Yeah. That's bad. Or that's bad. Okay. Did it get better? The audio then? No? Maybe. Okay, so the only way I can do anything about this is if I was to rotate this . Like actually rotate it like so that it's facing in, facing out. Can I take it off completely? I may be able to remove it completely. Video on a GoPro so awful. It's awful. It's like it's moving when it's not. Like this. It's all fuzzy. But it's not. That's not all fuzzy and sparkling and moving. Not doing that. Neither's my shirt and my pants. They're just not doing those things. GoPro's like, yes, they are. That's exactly what they're doing. And I've got it all on video. So it's starting to look like we're taking apart a bit more than I thought we were going to. I'm wondering if maybe before I go this far, I should take the bed off. Back 44. It's like a noise gate. That's what you're thinking, or right? Give me a sec. Gotta turn the heat down. That's not the right one. So even like obviously, I have to, based on the amount of damage this thing's taken, this is not going to be one and done type stream. This is going to take a couple of streams. So I am going to mix it back and forth between this, and I'm going to be trying to get that that MMU printing. I haven't touched it since the last stream. Literally have not touched it. Well, I guess I did touch it. It's here. It didn't just suddenly appear here. I did move it, but I haven't used it. So it should be ready to go. Like it should be able to plug it in and it should just print, right? That was the state we left things. Okay, so I'm gonna prop this back upright. And we're gonna try to get, there is nothing there. I'm like, why is it crooked? Well, because you just took a corner off, stupid. Let's come off. I guess I might as well take that off because God, everything is just loose. I've just stretched the aluminum, the bolts everywhere. It's crazy. Oh, yeah, okay. Just unplug it there. Crap. Oh yeah, if you don't put it in the right way. Come on. Oh no, I'm far from settled in the new place. Just chaos. Just chaos. My furniture will be here on Sunday. You know, I've been to IKEA a couple times, so I've got a bed. I've got beds, actually. I've got my new workbench. Got a dresser. So there's certain things I've already gone and bought that I either didn't have or didn't want from before. So there's that. That's all done. Yeah, just there's so much, really. Like, it's insane. Like, all this stuff you see, all that was somewhere else. Just 2 weeks ago, it was somewhere else. I can tell you I don't like moving, but being at the new place is kind of nice. Lots of lac tables. Yeah. My whole workbench was a lac table before. It was 2 lac coffee tables. 3. It was 3 lac coffee tables. With the top taken off and a Viva standing desk top put on it. Okay, I want to take this off, but it's not letting me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't be doing that. Okay. Stop doing that. I'm gonna have to put the bolt back in here. This bolt? Is that the bolt? That's not the bolt. Is that the bolt? Could be the bolt. So yeah, how many lac tables do I have? I actually build these things where I take 2 lac tables and throw away 4 of the legs, and then I flip the other lac table over. I put the top for the other one on with wood screws to the bottom. And then you have basically a lac cube. Then I take these wheels that IKEA calls Allen wheels. That's their name, Allen. and I use them as I screw them on to cover. It covers the bolts or the screws that they're holding the bottom on, and then basically I end up with these rolling tables. It's pretty good for stuff like this. In the old place, most of my printers were on tables like this. So, easy to move around. I still don't know why I was carrying the damn thing to drop it in the first place, but I was. I really didn't think it was going to be this bad, though. My old workbench, it's a coffee stand now. It's been upgraded. Drinking coffee when I got a Red Bull. Yeah, I repurposed it, put it out there, put the Keurig and all the crap on it. That actually was pretty good. Coffee flavor with Red Bull on top. Okay, so now we got that off. Oh no, oh no! Sorry, Kool-Aid guy's supposed to smash through the wall and go, oh yeah! Isn't it? Sorry, watched too much Family Guy. So right now, we've got the problem that the electronics are actually attached to the rail. So I actually have to undo the electronics. Oh, really? That one's undone anyway. Oh, okay, yeah, then now I know where did it go? This. Now I know where this is from. Guess I should probably take the clips off. Everything's going to be reattached, put somewhere else. Snapped it right off. And it's gone. We can't fix it. Okay. So I'm going to take everything out of here that I can. Really? Wow. This is awful. Will it ever be the same? I don't know. Looks pretty bendy. Everything else looks fine though. So I'm going to put that facing in. Huh. Okay. I believe that's not crooked anymore. I don't know about the rest of the printer. Maybe I should take this piece off. It got the strings of plastic hanging off it. Why would you not print that? Why? Why? Don't print it. How are you supposed to replace it? I didn't print this. I printed this, but I didn't print this. Well, what's a guy to do? I'll have to just, you know, I don't know, print it. Printers. It will respond soon. Tried it. Okay, preheating ABS. Oh, wow. Oh, it's not working. It's not moving. Oh well, I'm sure it's fine. Nobody will notice. Nobody's gonna say anything. Oh, you don't want that on there. Don't want to be putting that on after. So now we're going to have to figure out how to put one of these together. This is also one of those moments when I'm like, you know, I am so glad. Hey, the poor boy is here. Welcome back. What happened? Moving. moving happened. And this was the sole casualty of moving. So yeah, I guess I was a casualty too. Yeah, it turns out the extra, 30 kilograms makes me heavy enough to break through the top of the soil where I was walking towards my car while carrying this, and my feet just dropped out in front of me once, and then twice, and then bang. Gravity 1. Atom 0. Oh, those are not M3. Those are M5s. So yeah, that's what happened. Just yeah, basically a hole opened up in the ground. It's a short story. Okay, I'm gonna have to get down on my knees and look and make sure these are lined up. Those are not lined up. Is that straight? Oh, looks pretty straight, right? That's straight. We'll move it if it's not later. I blame a combination of soil erosion and landlord erosion. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get that tightened in there before we do the rest of this. Because if I can't, really no point. Because this wouldn't be attached anyway, right? Ow. You won't hurt me again, printer. Actually, it was the ground that hurt me. The printer didn't hurt me at all. Which I guess I'm lucky I didn't fall on the printer. That wouldn't have been good. Okay, so I think that's attached, reattached. I'm happy with that. That's solid. Okay, we're going to have to install heat sets. I don't have the ability to install heat sets. Heat insets. Brass insert, I don't know. I don't have ability to do thing. On. Oh, okay. Turns out I just have to flick a switch. It doesn't listen to voice commands. No, don't come out. You need to stay in. There we go. This isn't going to be so bad. It's only going to take, what, 6 hours? 2 seconds to happen. 6 to 8 hours to fix. Okay, that's all looking green. That would mean that it's hot. Unload the filament. I was really hoping that I would end up in a situation where I didn't have to, I could have all my printers in here. But it turns out I'm probably not going to have enough room. Have to move again. I guess I could have printed that in gray. It wouldn't have mattered. Oh well. Oh, getting warm in there. That's good. It's good when it gets warm in there. Extrude filament. Extrude. Extrude. Extruding. Okay, I guess I need to make I gotta get the STL for the back of the LCD. I know where that is. R2, STL, skirt. Any case rare. Okay, what are we doing here? Extrude some more, retract a bit. Got the STL, slice, print. Use my nozzle gloves. That's what I'm going to call these. These are nozzle gloves now. I just wipe the. One of these days, I'll forget to put it on and go and wipe the nozzle. Print. Printer make things. Okay, so now we need some heat insets. I know where those are. Look at that. It's like just like the old days. Okay, Nick. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'll finish it this time. Probably fit next time. Probably going to be a 2-stream fix, I think. We'll see though. We'll see how it goes. If not, we'll see when I go to do the MMU build. Okay, so I basically need to take this side off and attach this new one. Everything else is okay. I checked. I didn't check, but we've looked now. We're good. Okay. Now that that's going, 2 heat set inserts coming my way. Wow, desk is already a mess. This is only the first stream. So, you know, it does get cleaned up almost as soon as the stream is done. So one thing about living out here, whoa, what are you doing? Where are you going with that? Living where I'm living. I say out here. I don't know why I say that. It doesn't make any sense to where I'm living, but whatever. Living around here. That's what I should say. Living around here. There is a lot of traffic compared to where I used to live. And I lived before 5 minutes, maybe not 5, yeah, 5 minutes away from the city center. Yeah, 5 minutes. 6, 7 minutes, I don't know. So I would have thought moving way out where I moved, it would be quieter. But it's not, it's just insane here. Okay. There we go. The finish isn't as nice. I need more squish. Sorry, I need to extrude a little more filament on the initial layer. Not more squish. There's enough squish. Perfect squish. Okay, let's get back onto this. I guess this is what that screwdriver's for. Oh well, I didn't use it. Don't know how much I'm going to be able to get to of that. Okay, so 2 M5s. Maybe I should not be doing that and I should just replace them completely. Because one of these is the one that bent everything, right? How do I know which one that is? And if it was even damaged? It might not have even been damaged. The aluminum might have just taken the brunt of everything. It did, you know, I can feel that. It's getting harder to push that into place. Okay. There's 1. Where's 2? I know there was 2. Where did it go? Ah, shit. This is my life. Just put something down for a second, it's gone. You never see it again. Are you like not screwing into that? Okay. So where's number 2? I was a little worried about these workbenches too because I left like a gap at the back about that big so that I could, you know, run wires and everything like that. And then I'm like, oh, I guess that's where everything's gonna fall down and I'm never gonna see it again. Oh. Okay. I just don't understand how this is even possible. Oh well, let's see what's broken on here. Actually, the funny thing is, I think, oh no, this is broken here. So we're probably going to have to put brass insets into the other one. Actually, now that I look at this, this is okay. So maybe I'll just use that. It'll save putting 4 brass insets in the other one. How did I drop one? I only had 2 in my hand. Didn't even pick up the 3rd one yet, and yet I've dropped it. How did I do that? Let's go to the video. Let's go to video and see. I ordered cutlery from Amazon because, you know, we need cutlery to, you know, eat food like normal people. I shouldn't say like normal people. I guess you could eat hamburgers and stuff like that. That's normal. You don't need a knife for. But whatever. So I ordered some from Amazon because all the stuff that was at the old place was just like a collection of just miscellaneous cutlery. So I'm like, yeah, I could use some new cutlery. I deserve new cutlery. So I ordered some. So yesterday, I got the notification around 10:30 that, oh, my cutlery's up for delivery. Yay, cutlery! Ordered it on Tuesday. It'll be at my door on Wednesday. Awesome. So I sat at home waiting all day. Not that I was doing anything else, but I could have gone to the old place and grabbed some more stuff, but whatever. I thought my cutlery's going to be here. That's good. I'll have new cutlery. I waited till 8:30 that night, and then suddenly it changes from out for delivery to undeliverable. So I'm like kind of panicked. I'm like, why is it undeliverable? You don't deliver here? That would be bad if I couldn't get deliveries from Amazon. So I pick up the phone and we call Amazon because they're not telling me. They're keeping it to themselves. Undeliverable. We'll give you your money back in 5 to 7 days. And I'm like, no. That's not right. If you couldn't, your delivery people couldn't deliver the goods to me, give me the money back now. You know the state of things. You're like, no, it's undeliverable. We're gonna have our people bring it back to our people. And once our people get it, then we'll process. Well, no. Give me my money back. I want to buy some cutlery. And they did. Oh, I will say that. They did give me my money back so I could buy some cutlery. But I just thought it was kind of weird. I really did. It's like, why did you drive it around all the city all day and then smash it at the very end and go, oh, undeliverable? Because that's what they said. The package was broken open. Well, I'm like, well, yeah, I don't know. Again, I just thought it was weird. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So I'm hoping that there's not a general issue with getting deliveries from Amazon. Because if there is, there's, you know, I'm gonna have to move. There'd be no. How do you order parts? You know, if I need some linear rails, you know, boom, Amazon. 4 for $1. No. Not 4 for $1. No. 4 for $100. But you know what I mean. I guess I could order from places like Spool 3D and Sparta, places like that. But you know, you pay a premium for shipping from them. Quite a premium, actually. Okay, so that's all together. This is all together. That's together. Wow, this is all coming together. I didn't think it would be this quick. But of course, I guess, what am I talking about? I'm still printing parts. Not that that won't be done in 10 minutes. There's something wrong with my extrusion. I mean, my, yes, extrusion. Material. Yeah, I think there is. I know what I did. I know what I did. I drank too much Red Bull, that's what I did. Okay, there we go. That's good. That's good. We need not this, because that's broken. We need this, because it's not broken. There we go. Not going anywhere. Unless somebody like twists it really hard, breaks it, then it might go somewhere. Need a heat set insert in there. Then we need a M5 T-nut. There. Whoops. Now I do notice something. I don't care. Maybe I'll fix it. That's on backwards. Maybe backwards isn't the right. Description. Let's go with wrong. It's on wrong. Go, flip it around. Now we have 4 fan covers that are on the same. Yeah. I had to make sure. So that's another thing that I haven't been around for a lot of other people's streams these days. I've been missing a lot. I think I made it down to a bit from Nero's stream the other day. Oh, Modbot stream. Just a small amount of Steve's stream. But now time is gonna, open up. I'm gonna have more of it. That's the wrong one. There we go. There we go. Funny, I've used the screws already. How that happens, I don't know. There they are. Go. I had no idea that this was going to be this quick. This is literally. Why do I say that? Oh, I guess I've been here an hour and 43 minutes. It's already been an hour and 40. What the hell? It's already been an hour and 43 minutes? That's insane. I'm like serious. I had no clue. I thought it would, yeah. That didn't help. There's not enough light. Okay. That looks pretty solid. You can see I printed, other pieces. Like I thought I might have to replace this because it looked like it might have been bent, but obviously that's not the case. The only thing that's bent here is the frame. It's not really bent. I hope the frame's not bent. at the point where we're running belts, so we're pretty close. Or rerunning belts. I know where these need to go to. That can be always plugged back in, but these have to go to right here. Again, no overhead camera for this. I do have an overhead camera for the desk now, though. So that's changed. Come on, go in the hole. Ah, seriously, that's hurting my hands. Would you stop that? It's pushing out the bolt from the other side, eh? I guess I could probably turn the entire table so that we can all see what I'm doing. Or all will see what I'm not doing. Just getting this done. Come on. You're not even going in the hole, are you? It's like all bent. How is it going to get in there? Okay, it's in there now. Like, this is like literally impossible from what I'm seeing here. How did I rebuild this thing if that doesn't work? How did I put this back on the rebuild? It had to be done like this. There's no other way. There's no way I pulled it tight afterwards. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'll do the other side first, and maybe we'll understand after. So yeah, the day it actually hit the ground, the day I wouldn't say I dropped it, because I wouldn't have been on the ground if I dropped it. I didn't move it that day. I went and put it back and left it for last. I moved the Trident because I knew I had to print the parts for this. that one's going to be the same. It's like there's no way to do it. Or is there? Now that's really, really loose. But it still has the room to tighten up. Shouldn't really. Yeah. They don't need to sound like the top string on a bass. That's way too tight. So maybe, just maybe, I can take this off and bang. Oh, and loosen this. It's being like, nope, no, you're not doing that. Like I can feel the loose space, but the only reason I can't move it is because the inside of the thing is grooved. And it's against the grooves, which is really a pain in the ass. And I'm just gonna say screw it and tighten it up wherever it is and deal with it. Okay. Okay, so what's not done? This is not done. This is not done. That is very smashed. Here's the other half of it. Where is it? Where is it? Took them off with it. I can put them on with it, damn it. I have the skills. Okay. I don't know how well this is going to go on before the LCD. Well, it's definitely easy to see stuff on the floor here. Oh, I guess I was going to be putting that black and white rug in here again. Or, you know, maybe not, maybe not, maybe I won't. Just say maybe. Why is this not wanting to go on? Like, seriously, what is wrong with this? It literally does not fit. What the hell? How does this not fit? There we go. I figured it out. I thought I figured it out, but I was wrong. I'm dumb. I didn't figure it out. Figuring out what went on here. Like, there's no doubt that this came off here, but it just does not want to fit back on. I think what happened was this got shifted during the fall. Actually, I think all of this got shifted during the fall. Okay. So, the LCD needs to be done. Pretty straightforward. Really? Yeah, that's right. These are melted together, aren't they? But what happens if I don't want to print another one? Can I just not print it? Pretend I did. Yay! Oh. Oh, that's what happened. I used one of the wrong heat set inserts. It's too long. Oh, shit. And that's why. Great. Fuck. You know, I hate these containers. They're absolutely freaking useless. If you're gonna put dividers in a container, make it so they stay in the container. Because guess what? When people go to take stuff out of the container, they take their fingers, they drag it up against the edge of the divider, and they pull things up. And if you've made dividers that just pop up when you pull things against them, you are a bloody idiot and you should be fired for making dividers. Maybe there's pieces of paper somewhere you can fold. Or a button you could press. But designing dividers for a parts thing, you are too incompetent. You are way too incompetent to design dividers for plastic containers. Yeah, there we go. Just getting that off my mind. Okay, so we got 4 more screws. This goes in there like that. This screws on here like that. You almost done? What is your doneness level at? You'll be done in 12 minutes, eh? You'll be done in 12 minutes. We're almost set, almost ready to go. Let's drop these on here. Because you know we have to. M3. I don't understand why these things just like have to be screwed on. Like I don't know. They don't still go on right. And I think what it is that the distance between these things is different than the distance between the edge of the thing and the M3 T-nut. So what happens is when you put it on, you either break it or it's just jammed in there like on edge. Because this just isn't going in, eh? So what's gonna happen is this thing's gonna get broken off. Which sucks because it's actually what holds them straight before it can actually go onto the T-nut. So it's actually a bad design of the whole thing. It really it is a bad design. Those little edges should be bumps to make this sit properly, not those big, huge, like not this, because that's just so obviously going to get broken off. And almost every single one has the one broken off. Problem, of course, now is this thing isn't sitting right, and I'm probably just going to have to remake the whole thing because of that. And that one, is it gonna make it? Is it gonna make it? Yes. That one stayed together. So yeah, the pieces, these little nubs here, they're too close, which means that sometimes the M3 nut that goes like here, when you tighten that, it just snaps the edge off. And once you snap both of them off, you can't make it straight. Okay, so that's that. All we're waiting for is the cover for this. That'll be done in 12 minutes. Well, maybe not, maybe 9 minutes, because minutes have passed. Okay. We have printer. Once again, okay. So for some reason, this thing has decided to take this and push everything out. Like, there's something horribly wrong here. Oh, come on. So, I see a big problem here. This is not attached anymore. It's just jammed into the fan. That's all that's happening there. No, come on. Literally. Really? There's not enough room there? There's like Those things are 6 inches apart from each other, but there is no way yeah, it's there's not enough room between the ways that you can yeah, whatever. That's a pain in the butt. So I can't tighten the screw enough. So let's just hope the other one tightens it up enough to hold. And then if it does, we're fine. But that does mean that somewhere here, there's another M5 bolt. There's not. No M5 bolt there. There's no M5 bolt here. Does that mean I'm gonna have to grab an M5 bolt? Could be underneath here, I guess. Yeah, it's just too awkward to tell. Bolts, where are bolts? Where are bolts at? Obviously someone in the bottom, one of the bottom ones, because we wouldn't need them if they were at the top. Yeah, there we go. I need another one of these after. There's something else broken I need to take care of. What mic am I using? I've got a Rode. I've got the same mic everybody else has. A Rode Wireless Go with the thing. It's hooked up through a Go XLR Mini, and that's doing the noise stuff. You know, I can shut it off, like that's no big deal. Why did I hit that? Oh crap! Stupid Windows. You know, why would you even put that there? Why? What is your point in putting things that people don't need, like right on the taskbar? What even is that? 2 apps are using my microphone. Okay. What am I doing here? Not that. There we go. Okay, is there... Yeah, see, the problem now is there's constant noise in the background. There's a constant hum. Now the hum's gone, but anytime I make a little sound, it makes a click. Yeah, it's kind of hard to not have it, really. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Nobody knows. Well, maybe somebody knows, but they're not telling me. Okay, so that's tight now. That ain't going nowhere. Oh, come on, are you kidding me? Really? It's like, no, I'm gonna dig 2 gouging holes in the table with that M5 nut you lost. Because we know that'll make you feel special. Ah, I forgot about this piece of shit. And all its stupid magnets. And how do I know if they're on the right way? You don't, because you can never, ever, ever tell. Okay, so there's now multiple missing magnets. Oh, fuck. I mean, double fuck. Sorry. What is going on here? Something's eating magnets. Where'd magnet number 3 go? Not that it matters, because we can't do anything with them anyway like that. They need to be in the right. Now the other magnets are coming out. You know, I'm gonna say it. These magnets are garbage. They really are. The idea that those little magnets are going to affect a bed that weighs 12 pounds is the product of... Never mind. Now the music isn't loud enough? There's music. See, the problem here is that there's constant audio coming from my device. Like all the hum from every machine in this room is going into the microphone, and that's why everything else is dropping off. So that's not good. Okay, so what's going on here? I'm not going to do it through there. Okay, so now it's not showing my audio properties at all. It's decided it's going to hide it behind something, because who needs to see it? Okay. I'm not messing with them anymore right now. Okay, so this does not line up. And the reason it doesn't line up is because I dropped it from 3 feet and it hit on a corner. So what I think I need to do is loosen these, get the alignment back, and tighten them back up. Why is that not reaching anymore? Yeah, that's the only way I'm going to be able to tell is watch the stream back and make an adjustment, see if it works, try it out again. Okay, so I don't have the red, so I'll just use the gray. Where the hell are my blue snips? Like, I have 5 pairs of them, and I don't see any at all. Like zero pairs of snips for you. I know you have 5 pairs, but none. Here's none. And here's the real ones. Okay, so this is going to have to be shorter. Let's start with it being shorter. I don't know which one's which, but I'm pretty sure if it doesn't work, I got it plugged in wrong. Okay, how are we gonna do this? I don't know. I think we're gonna have to flip it on its side, which I hate to do. Mainly because of the bed. Okay. That's a problem. That's a problem. It's not a problem as long as those things don't move. You know, that's a pain in the ass, that is. come on, get out of there. Or I'm gonna have to print another one. This isn't out of here in 10 seconds. We're gonna be printing another one because I'm gonna lose my frickin' mind. Seriously, what are you doing? The magnets are stuck behind here. The frickin' magnets are stuck behind here. So I can't get the screw to go in straight because the magnets pulled the screw to the side. And now the screw won't frickin' move because it's jammed up against something else. But you'd think the screw would just come out. But no, even being jammed up against something else, that something else isn't enough for it to thread on. And anytime it's loose, it's just gonna fall back in. Okay, so how the hell is this gonna work? Oh, fuck off. It's like it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Haha. If you push it to go that way, it's going to go the other way. If you push it to go the other way, it's going to go that way. And now you're 5 seconds away from just getting all pissed off and smashing the crap out of it. Come on, seriously. Why is this the most difficult thing to put together in this whole thing? Like literally, we've disassembled almost everything, and we're having a problem with the bolt that goes into the LCD because it just keeps every time. It just goes shunk, shunk, like around the hole. Because of course it does. I really just wish there was just solid LCD mounts, like on the switch wire. That would be so much nicer. Consistency, like imagine the whole, every Voron had that exact same display mount on it. I don't know if this is working. I have no idea, it might be. I have no idea, it's just screwing endlessly. So I'm just gonna try put this in. If it works, it works. If not, that's not working. There's something screwed up there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't care anymore. I really don't. It's not functional anyway. Like, I mean, it's not gonna change the function of anything. But I'm gonna say that's a real pain in the butt to put on. Maybe it's not meant to be put on the way I put it on. Maybe it's supposed to be meant to put on when it's off. But that's sloppy. Okay. Well, obviously that's going to be insanely crooked because I loosened all the bolts. That's not the right thing.
So there's the other thing that's going to be different in this room than the room I used to stream in. And that's that the room I used to stream in had audio baffles all over the walls. So that might have something to do with the difference in audio. It might not, but it might. Like, that's no good. That's no good at all. Why does that not fit unless I slam it? Like all the movability in the back, one of the back hinges is gone. So I used to be able to shift those. Now I can't move them. So that might be what's going on here. That might be what's going on. There's something wrong here. There we go. Well, hopefully. Okay. Doesn't matter that much. Guess it matters a bit. But I guess the bigger thing is I really need to make that clamp that I was talking about that would clip on the back of this and just clamp down, and this would make this solid. Now, I need to find where that magnet went. Because if it's sitting on a board somewhere, it's going to short something out, and we're going to have a problem. I also need to hook this back up. And then I also disconnected this. This thing is, it's totally warped. Oh, that's better. And that's not moving anymore.
Yeah, something needs to change. I think maybe what I'll do is I'll just create some type of, we'll create a new type of thing for this to clip into that has 2 inset bolts that I can put some, maybe get some long computer thumb screws that I can thumb screw down right next to the sides. And that would make it solid at least. I think that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. I did notice just now that this looks like it took a smack too. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, so there's the bed. And there is the insulated thing. I'm all about specifics. Okay, let's get this corner piece on too. Whoops, wrong camera. Bring this around here. I am gonna have to work on some type of lighting so we can see down here better. I'm working on these tables. Okay, there's that. I still don't have the other pieces for these. Well, I do. They're printed there. I don't have them put together, and I'm not going to. I'm just going to make sure everything else is working first. I'm gonna say I don't think this will be the printer I'll be putting tap on. Maybe that should live on Trident first. But you know, the panels are aligning pretty good. I can't say there's anything bad going on here. So that's that means it's somewhat not crooked. This is the first one that I broke both those tabs off. So yeah, it's crooked. But no, once everything's on, that's fine. We have a missing magnet somewhere. Right down here. There we go. That's the 2.4 back together again. So what do you say we plug it in, turn it on, and make sure it does what it's supposed to. No special smoke. The smoke is still trapped inside. Let's hope it works. What? Only 3 likes? I think everybody's forgotten where the like button is. It's right. I don't even know where it is anymore. But if you haven't, don't forget to click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. It's over there. I think subscribe's over there and likes over there. I don't even know what camera I am in anymore. I'm in this camera. Yeah, I'm confused. It's been a while. So my guess is I don't have the LCD plugged in correctly. Though there could be more wrong than that. Or so it seems. God, that's sloppy. The MCU unable to connect. Once the underlying issue is corrected, use the firmware restart command to restart the firmware. So I don't see any power to the 24 volt. Okay. I see what's wrong. And I should have known. Because somewhere I have a bag. Stuff in it. And that is the stuff that I found on the floor when on the ground when I picked up the pieces. And there's 2 jumpers in there. And if I could find that bag, wow. If I could find that bag, I would then be able to take that stuff and here they are. Okay, it looks like I only have one of them. No, there's the other one. Come on, let me pick it up. It's like, the bag is like, nope, I'm keeping this. This is mine now. You put it in me, it's mine. It's the way I roll. Really hope that's not actually playing, but it says it's playing. No, we're still playing ambient. Good. Okay, so I unplugged it. I'm putting the jumper back for the live. And then I'm adding the secondary jumper on the ground. And now everything will work. Damn, could you imagine if we didn't have inverted electronics? So these black tables, they'll all be gone. On Sunday? Sunday. Yay! The MCU started. Now, I'm gonna guess that I have these on backwards this time. And I had them on the right way the first time. I'm really hating this, totally hating that. I don't know why it's so floppy. This is not floppy. This is very solid, but that thing is just floppy. It says Clippy still in startup. It can't be. That's not going to do anything. Restart firmware. That's better. It always takes more than you think it will, right? It's never this easy. Well, this is actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. But, you know, this part, but getting it running again. There we go. Okay, homed. That's not good. Yay! Exceeded tolerances. Yeah, I wonder why. It's gonna work this time, though. I'm not sure. This should finish it up. No? Too many retries? What do you mean too many retries? You tried twice. How is that too many retries? I think the tolerance is just way too insanely high. Like it's 0.003 or some like almost like 1/15 of a, not 1/15, but 1/6 of a layer. But I'm not going to change it. because that's what it always was. So it's fine now. Okay, let's do a preheat. Oh, and yes, we'll have to put on our thing. I had to take it off because of moving it. Really? Great. The thing for it has fallen. Fallen into the abyss below. Because it's one of these ones next to the panel, it's really hard to get back in. You almost have to have it in before it'll go in, if that makes any sense. Scratch the shit out of that panel a lot. Come on. There we go. What else can I do here? While this preheats, I can pull this out and we can refeed this. And there's that ready to go. That's heating up. I don't know where my magnets are right now. As soon as I figure that out, I'll have to put a new magnet in the bottom. Not that it really needs it. I do feel as though this needs to come up. Mainly because of the bulge in the front here. Okay, let's see. I've been pretty sure there's been a bolt missing. Yeah, there's been a bolt missing in here since it was built. And I noticed this thing turning the other day while I was printing. And I'm like, what the hell? So that means I'm gonna have to run input shaper again. Not that there's much difference, it probably end up very similar. But you know, if you have a bolt missing from the carriage, it's gonna change input shaping. Hey Nadav, welcome back. Hey Water Worlder.
it is. It's back to its original self, I think. I guess I should probably try to plug the LCD in. Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay, that's much better. That's much snugger. I don't know if I'm gonna have to do a restart for that to come on. Let's give it a try. It's ignoring me. I really hate that. It's like, no, I'm not gonna restart. I'm heating the bed to 100. I don't care if you click the restart button. I'm gonna keep the bed to 100 and then I'll restart. Sorry. That didn't work, did it? Nope, it did not. Hey, I saw a light. There we go. Preheat ABS. Okay. You know what? It's actually this. This whole bottom piece. It's sort of turned. It's not crooked. Well, I guess it is crooked this way, but yeah. That's crappy. Really, 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 really crappy. Yeah. I think what might have to happen is that might have to come off as well, the same as the one on the other side. But I think what's going to have to happen with that one is I'm going to have to re-tap it, tap it deeper, and use a little bit longer bolts. The other thing I can do is make something that'll go in the groove so that we can force alignment. But yeah, basically it looks like it's just a little bit misaligned, and that's what's happening with the doors. They're tight from top to bottom. Whereas they were never tight from top to bottom before, they were tight from left to right. Yeah, I think it's, and it might have some explanation with that, because that's just hanging there. Like that's literally just hanging on like it was when it was broken. And that's not how it should be. This one's solid. That's not how it was before either. Of course, it could have been that with how awkward it was to put on, that something's broken back there and it's just like, you know, the screw's not lined up. So it's not going to be tight anyway. But that really sucks when it won't even hang straight. I want to fix that. So, there it is. I think the 2.4 has been rebuilt. I think it's fixed. Other than that front bar. I don't know what it's going to take to fix that. And my brain is like, hey, why even bother if it all works? So it's almost like I just need to like print something for a test. See how it does. Maybe I'll reprint the back thing for this. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reprint that right now. We'll swap over to the Voron 2.350. We'll slice that. We're heated up and ready to go. I have to admit, this new setup is a lot more versatile. Sorry for the green line on the floor. That's to measure where the table goes. But yeah, this new setup is definitely more versatile. So for some reason it says that's going to take 1 hour and 47 minutes. Why? What are you printing in? Why is the print temperature 200? There we go. So, loading filament. For some reason, my UI does not have... Oh, there it is. The old ones. Extrude a little. It's definitely loading filament. Get my nozzle gloves. See, I told you I was going to call them nozzle gloves. Do a retract on that. Ooh, didn't like that. Oh, wow. Holy crap. What the hell? Okay, I don't like that at all. That is awful. But did you... Yeah, let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about it. We'll pretend it didn't happen. But the... It looks like the front's gonna fall off.
Wow, first time? Oh no, it did move. So the offset is still 0.1? That's weird. Actually, I don't think it was 0.1 when I finished it originally. I think it was 0. There's still a few pieces we didn't use. And then there's all the broken pieces. Wow. Smashed good. Well, bad though. So that's all broken. That's broken. Yeah. Quite a mess. But it looks like it's working. It looks like it's printing again. The magnet has like chunks of crazy glue on it. Oh yeah, this. This is the one where the dividers popped up as I was pulling stuff out. So like I'm not gonna be able to put these things away ever again. There you go. You can take your other dividers and stick them up your stupid brain. Sorry. Again, dividers need to divide the things and they need to stay in there. If they come out, they're garbage. So whoever designed that is a garbage designer. I'm sorry. I've been watching way too many Portal documentaries, and I'm getting all Gladys insults. Yeah. Okay, so what's this from? Anybody know? Couldn't be important. So you think if I turned it up to 200%, it would print faster? So yeah, I was actually expecting this was probably going to take 6 to 8 hours of work in order to get this thing back up and running. But it looks like it's been hauled off in like 3 hours and 15 minutes. 3 hours and 20 minutes. So I am happy about that. You can't not be happy about that. Thought it was going to be a lot more work in order to get this thing going again. I'm going to have to de-rack it and stuff like that, I think. We'll see. I'll I don't know. I'll run some prints, run a calibration cube, make sure I'm getting good measurements, stuff like that. I'm sure it's fine. The only thing I worry about is that the bed will move or shift as it prints. And of course, you know, you don't want that. So I'm definitely gonna try to do something about this mechanism here. I don't like it at all. I really want something like this, where I can just, you know what I mean? Like we could screw something down on the back of that, and the thing swings down on the bottom and just click and locks in place. That would be ideal. This always printed better parts than the Trident anyway. So yeah. It's going to be so weird having everything on one big long table of printers. Well, I guess not. There won't be room for all of it. Something will be sitting over here most of the time too. And that's actually something I haven't brought here yet. So I haven't got the old frame for the Ender 5, which is going to end up being the frame for a, I'm going to call it a Tridex flavored printer. That's what I'm going to call it. It's not the Tridex. It's going to have a Hydra bed. It's only going to be able to print. It's only going to print 235 by 235 by 300. No, 235 by 235 by 230. It's not printing infill fast enough. But I think it is printing okay. So I mentioned earlier, I've been watching the old live streams for the for Voron announcements. They've got a lot better. good though. It's very interesting. I think watching the tap one got me thinking about, you know, the ones they did in the past. So I'm interested in tap, but I'm also very wary of it. I think I don't know what I'd put it on, other than maybe Trident. Once I get this machine back up as and reliable as it was before, with the temperature sensors in it and stuff like that, I'm not going to make changes to it. It's going to become the workhorse again. Trident's a much prettier printer, I think. It looks nicer. It looks less used, but it is less used. This basically has more than 5 times the print time than Trident. Yeah, it's printing pretty slow. We're gonna be here for a while. Well, actually, we're not.